we'll guide you through how to use Google Drive offline mode. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Chrome on your desktop and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Then, go to drive.google.com. Once you're in Google Drive, look at the top right corner for the gear icon and click on it to access the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, you need to find the option labeled Offline. You'll see a checkbox that says Create, Open, and Edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. Check this box to enable offline access. This will start the process of downloading your recent files onto your device. Make sure you have enough space on your device for these files. It's important to note that offline mode will only work in Google Chrome, and you need to be connected to the internet initially to download the files you want to access offline. Once this setup is complete, you can disconnect from the internet, and you'll still be able to access and edit your recent files in Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Any changes you make offline will automatically sync the next time you're connected to the internet. Remember to regularly connect to the internet to keep your files updated. If you have multiple devices, you'll need to enable offline mode on each one individually. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.